Understanding idiomatic expressions. You're toast. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, "you're toast." This is a phrase you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or maybe in a casual conversation. Let's dive into where this phrase comes from and how you can use it effectively. The phrase, "you're toast," is an idiomatic expression in English. It is used to informally say that someone is in serious trouble or about to suffer the consequences of their actions. It's akin to saying that someone is done for or finished in a particular situation. We'll explore its origins and see how it fits into everyday conversation. Understanding where idioms come from can often help us remember how to use them. "You're toast" might make you think of breakfast, but its origins are less about food and more about being finished. Like toast popping out of a toaster, signaling it's done. Let's look at some examples and the context in which this phrase might have come about. Now that we know what it means and where it comes from, let's get practical. We'll go through several scenarios where you can use "you're toast." Whether it's a playful warning between friends or a dramatic line in a story, this phrase has versatility. Remember, tone and context are key when using idiomatic expressions. Idioms often have variations, and "you're toast" is no exception. Phrases like "you're done" or "you're finished" can convey a similar meaning. We'll explore these variations and discuss how each one might be used slightly differently depending on the context. And that's a wrap on "you're toast." We hope this video has illuminated this expression's meaning and how you can use it in your own conversations. Remember, idioms add color to our language, so don't be afraid to use them. Until next time, keep practicing, and you'll be speaking like a native in no time.